Dahil nakalimutan yung susi, kailangan maglakad ng 8th floor. My goodness. Ay, nalang. I just, ganito ang buhay ko. Ang buhay ni Atsay. Kailangan maglakad ng 8th floor. Oh, good day. Ito ang problema dahil nakalimutan yung susi. Kailangan maglakad hanggang 8th floor. Kaya kaya natin to. Exercise. Yes. 8th floor pa more. 5th floor. It's 5th floor. 5th floor. Okay. 3 floor. Wait. Ay, nakakapagod. Yes. 6th floor. To go. 2 floor to go. Yeah. Yan. Next time, check your bag. 7th floor. 1 floor. 1 floor. Yes. I'm here. 8th floor. Ay, thank you, Lord. Ay, kapagod. Yan. Sa kakasipi. Okay. Nandito na ako sa 8th floor. Yay!